Hello kids! Are you ready to learn Tagalog? Let's read Tagalog sentences. Let's begin. Repeat after me. Matalino ako. Let's read it slower this time. Ma-ta-li-no ako. Matalino ako. It's your turn. Mahusay. Masayahin ako. Let's read it slower this time. Ma-sa-ya-hin ako. Masayahin ako. It's your turn. Mahusay. Mabait ako. Let's read it slower this time. Ma-ba-it ako. Mabait ako. It's your turn. Mahusay.